Alright, so it's another intricate part of the peanut farming, people. As you see, we're right up on deck. And this peanut right here. And probably what, a month old? And them peanut are about a month old. But trust me, the grass will inoculate it and give you a whole bunch of work. So what we do, we get to work. We spray for the grass. And it's another skill part. Lessen your work. Increase your yield on your crop. And I don't think the way I promote farming evening till the morning. You're looking at the month-old peanut right there for me. So, St. Elizabeth with it. The peanut capital of the world right now. Because tell every little boys and girls, everybody for eat peanut. Yeah. See it there. Family has spray for the grass, you know. You know, say over mango tree them you go. See the grass take over the peanut crop. So we have to get rid of him. Yeah. Yeah. Them family them. Some family them they do the work. Yeah, the man in name. The original person on him wife right there, so yeah. Yeah, to the world. Remember it's the Crocus bag farmer, you know. Yeah, with the Cornwall district, Cornwall PO, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, I'm going to tell you, say, the best peanut. I'm going to bring you every process from the planting to the roasting to the maintaining. At the picking, I should have catch already, but that's how it go. So, big up on yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself. What? What that? Oh. Alright, you see it? The process that's going on right now with the burning. I'll show you a part that's completed already. Excellent, that's a good idea. And then now you're going to see the difference. Because you see how the grass take up the peanut? Yeah. Look up there, sir. Alright. Look like a well manicured hairstyle, right? See it? You can see it. And I don't know how him see it. We burn it like that, but me I burn up everything. Yeah. See how this look beautiful? You see a whole bunch of peanut, right? Instead of the grass in it like this. So, it's skill and it's technique. How that I do it. Skill and technique. That's what farming is about. Skill and technique, people. Skill and technique. And that you do it. Look on all the peanut. And I'm going to burn through it. Yeah. But them lady looking on. So, you know the hills here of Cornwall District, Cornwall PO. Peanut we grow. Straight peanut we grow. Yeah. Straight peanut. Red dirt for the peanut, you see it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful sea of green. Yes, family and friends. So that's peanut a month old, okay? Give thanks. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Yeah.